screen, Han.
Earthron caller.
Moving southeast.
Southeast. Tama.
They have range bomb, okay? They have range bomb, just be careful of that.
Pick up. Stay away from the southeast wall, guys.
Doyle, ikaw na nga bahala dun sa range. Doyle, kailan mo na bahala.
Pumping.
Yes, they're spotted, I see.
Okay. This one. Yo, double OC guys, double OC. Yo, keep fake with me southeast. Keep. No? 3, 2, 1 now. Nice.
Gago si Icard yun ah.
Oh, ready. Wait. Ready southeast, guys. Ready southeast. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back. Come back. Yo, def. Nice. Yeah. Pasabi ng gate. Nice.
Yo, may shaper ba? Bukas na buhay.
DPS talk to me, CD. Yo, DPS talk to me, CD. CD guys, CD.
Ready.
Yo, southeast now, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back.
G.
Back. Yo, click second gate. Yo, hold them. Tanks, hold them. Hold them.
G.
Hold them. QW inside. Yo, come back inside. Yo, yeah. If mag-engage to, we hit, okay? Hold lang.
Looking now.
Yeah. I know. Lungin sila.
Southwest na.
Lungin. Yeah. Lungin inside. Yup. Yo, ready for him. Yo, click in. Yo, come in. Walk in. Look southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, come back. Nice bomb, Jel. Nice bomb.
May
Yo,
shaper
pick
sila, may
fast.
7
Yeah,
shaper
pick
sila.
fast.
Trade.
Fast.
Kamasa ka saan ka? Kamark ko.
Speed for us. Yo, DPS CD, tell me if ready, okay? Looking. Left. Walk in. Yo, ready deep. Sleep on the stairs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good shit. Go back. Run. Go back. Yo. Finish up the kills.
Nakat kami ba? Nakat kami.
Nice. Takas kayo? Patay kayo?
Patay ka.
Okay. We don't have bombs, okay?
CD Meerkat.
Copy. Meerkat can hit soon, okay? Just be careful, guys.
Get away from walls.
So, they engage. Yeah. DPS CD. Okay. Wait.
Ayan.
Yo, ready shallow on the gate. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Go back.
G, so...
Yeah, spine. Too deep. My bad. CD gate, yung gate.
Sakay ka.
DPS, I need you to tell me your cooldown, okay?
10 seconds.
Copy.
Haircut is looking at
Five.
Look isa. Asan yung Meerkat? I need someone to yung Meerkat. Sige.
Southwest Meerkat.
Yo, looking. Yo, come. Walking. Yo, left. Walking left. Fake me. Fake.
Okay na. Nag-defensive na siya.
Yo, east on the stairs. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, stop. Come back. Spine. Tell me gate. 14. Yo, ready guys. Yo, come southwest. Yo, hold them, tanks. Hold them. Nice. They miss. Walk in. Yo, look, east deep, guys. East deep. Yo, left. East deep. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill them. Everyone. Come back. Build die. Go back, guys. Go back. Seize them. Yeah, we need to stabilize it. See. Yo, shaper. Nice. SD.
Engage.
Looking.
Yo, left. Yo. Southeast over the wall. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, get stuck.
Looking to counter ah.
Come back. Yo guys, come. Guys, come south.
Kaya mag-lord room, huy.
come south. Don't go Lord Room, don't go Lord Room. If masira yung gate, we kite here, okay? We kite here. We kite on the west west gate. Yo, ready, wait.
Looking at the gate.
Looking. Ready to def. Yo, shallow on the gate. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headband. Come back. Yeah, make it coming. Yo, left. Yo, ready to fight. Yo, kill this guy. Nice.
You're good.
Yeah. I know. Spread. DPSCD.
5 seconds.
Okay. Yo, look, southeast deep. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is everyone. Come back. Then go back. Yo, kite. Ready, left.
Market is engage.
Nice.
Both engage. Wala na sila engage pareho. No
Copy.
engage.
Walking, guys. Walking. I need one guy looking at Mercat. Nice. Yo, come southeast, guys. Yo, guys.
5 seconds.
Come southeast. Shape your looking. Yo, ready south. Yo, click in, guys. Click in. Look
Ready,
southeast.
DPS.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wipe everyone here. Nice. Kill everyone.
Mercat engage shallow.
Guys, ready to fight. Kite.
No, we're good. They miss.
Yeah. Okay, walking. QW. Brawl lang.
Moving north.
Yo, ready def inside. Def. Nice, walking. Walking, guys.
Mercat coming.
Inside, ready. Ready inside. Hold. Yo, inside, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone,
Nice.
kill them all. Good shit. Spread.
They have engage now.
Spread, guys. Spread. Okay, spread, man. Spread.
Kiting north.
Come, see them.
Na-engage. Baka mag-turn.
High card dead.
Yo, care.
Just
Yo, ready.
Nakamark yung dandi.
Walking deep.
Hold them.
Yo, walking deep. Ready, gig. Yo, southeast. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Yo, care over the wall. Yo, ready, def. Looking sila. Yo, ready, def. Nice. Hold lang. Ilan pa DPS ka sa party to? Yo, come back.
You're good. Miss.
10
Yeah.
seconds.
Wait. Looking sila. Yo, come back a bit.
They're ready, miss.
Next-engage sila, keep.
Nagko-cool down.
Deep,
They're
deep.
miss.
Okay.
Ready,
Nag-kidnap sila.
DPS.
Yeah,
Yung
they're trying
QW
to-
nyo inside. QW inside.
They're
Tell
looking
nyo
at.
Yeah, they miss. Mercat miss.
Your chance.
Wala yung main caller, pre.
Okay.
Oh, it's your
Yo.
turn.
Yo, walking a bit. Wait. Walking a bit. Walking a bit. Yo, on the tank. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the tank. Nice kill. Come back a bit.
No. They're not trying to hit, bro. They're not trying to engage. They're trying
Yeah.
to
You're just gonna wait for the gears.
Yeah, I know.
Callers here. They're callers here.
Okay, second field.
Andiyan na yung caller nila.
Yo, kita nyo yung Hodges, nakatingin. Come back a bit, guys.
One map away
Andito na.
rin.
Andito na si ano.
Okay,
andito na
come back a bit. Yo, come back. Stay away from southeast wall. Yo, hold. Let's wait for them to walk
Looking.
in. Yeah, I know. Nice stop, tanks. Yo, sino Osibik? Yo, inside, ready, 5,
Engage
4,
shallow.
3, 2, 1.
Kill it.
Baka finish up the kills. Kill him. Go back.
Pick is engaging niya over the wall. Careful.
Yo, over the wall, carry. Nice.
Hindi na sarili.
Ay, pares sa ibat.
Okay na.
Disengage
Yeah.
is Marlica.
Saan yung mga riggers ko? Saan yung riggers?
1 minute.
Nice.
Layo pa kami
Nice,
by
nice,
3
nice,
maps.
nice,
By
nice.
3 maps na.
Sige. DPSD.
Ready.
Nice.
Engage shallow again.
Yo,
Okay,
kita nyo
okay.
itong J na to sa is
Kapalawa
natin. Yo, ready on
Looking
this.
shallow, they're looking
Fake lang.
Engaging sila.
Yo, walking
Sige.
deep.
I hold them at the chocolate.
Walking deep. Yo, walking deep. Yo, inside. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. You guys get stop. Come back. They're good first. They're good. Wait natin yung mga rig. Madami namatay yung tanks.
Away from the chocolate.
Yeah. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Lungin sila deep.
Yeah, long sila deep. Yo, ready def. Spread. Fake yan. Yo, heal kin.
Sila ba? Sila.
Nice. Ready def. Yo, Giga walk in. On top of us. Ready, south is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Then click in. Hold on. Nabuksan yung chest.
Shaper.
Nabuksan yung chest. Oh, wala nagbukas ng chest. Yo, ready def. Fake yan. Fake. They will walk in. Yo, ready inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt. Kill them. Spread lang. QW inside. Yo, come southwest. Yo, click southwest. Wala yan. It's nothing.
Fuck,
Yo,
ang daming
looking,
stop.
Left. Nice. Yo, walk in.
5 second DPS.
Click in. South is deep. Ready. Hold. South is deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back. Click out. Hold here. Pag lumabas sila, we'll go in, okay? Yo, def that. Nice. Halte pa tayo. Hold.
We're just waiting for Jen.
May
Okay.
kami dito. Yung
Chance pa-trade niya si Jeken. Nasa kanya lahat ng bump code na
Halos lahat ng Zerg nandyan sa pocket na yun.
Come. Nice stop. This yo, ready def. Hold. Yo, come guys. Yo, look northeast over the wall. Ready. North is over the wall, ready. Yo guys, north is over the wall. Di nyo need pumasok. Yo, inside. Wait. Looking sila. Yo, ready def.
Oh, wait.
Walk in. Pahila ko. Heal me. Guys, why did you guys go in? Inside. After the GA. Ready, south is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
Not enough damage. Yo, come back.
Malapit na kami.
Okay, come back. No. Come southeast. Still win the best. Guys, you just need to look northeast over the wall, man. Yo, come. Regroup. Andito pa ba lahat?
pa natin ang first dito. Yung iba nasa southwest. Nahabol.
Yeah, come.
Na-scatter kami.
Pero basag yung gate. Di pa basag yung gate sa northwest. Pwede
Yeah,
tayo pumunta sa loob.
come. Regroup.
Like this guy. This guy's alone. Alone. Binabang na nila yung gate.
Yeah, come. Asan yung riggers?
Ang ina
Eh,
niya.
dito po eh.
Ba't kayo pumasok dun? Like, kita nyo yung crown, diba? Tapos kinol ko northeast over the wall. Like, you guys can hit from there.
The usual, pre. Tapos na? Nakakalis na kayo?
No.
Di ba dito? Hold pa.
We're still
Ba't
holding.
nag-GG si
Hindi na lang tayo dito. Ano yan?
Hindi pa GG.
Ayaw mo mag-round 2 na lang, kamo? Round 2? Trigger?
Ask ko. Ikaw gets like, what the fuck?
Tira ba kayo? Pinapatay pa kayo?
Hindi.
Ayun. Ano na, nagsabi si Dante sa akin, GG na raw.
Man, we killed that, but yung